engineer. Every 2 seconds, different. All right. He said a quarter. Got a quarter. That's more than a quarter. Oh, fuck, that's ½ inch. I think he wants ½ inch. Oh, ½ inch. And he said here and here. I gotta find the stud. The stud is getting tired. I can't even hand one so long. I mean, it doesn't matter. They ain't. There's only one stud. So, brackets it is. Alright, time out. Alright, let me fucking sit down. Oh man. I drive to Home Depot, that was more exhausting than this job. More than this job. Alright, puppy. Does it matter? No. My stud? Yeah, it does matter. El Studo. And it's probably this way. Alright, technically, yeah. El Caliente. Alright. I wish you would just drill yourself. Alright, let me finish this up. Alright. Fucking 3-inch screws for this fucking thing. Just this side alone. Be good enough to hold. I don't even need this, but we gotta put some anchors in. Alright. I think we hit studs here. There's fucking studs everywhere. I mean, there should be. There's a fucking window frame in here. Ooh la la. Ran out of screws. Alright, one more screw. Get out of here. 3-inch screws. Safety first. That's how you know the car. And I just lost the fucking screw. Yeah. There's one. Gotta find the screw. This can't be too far. Let's get one in. Wow. They give you a fucking tool for this shit. They don't make it easy. Alright. Out. That thing in. He wants this sanded so he can paint. We painted this one. Beautiful job. You get the point. Audi.